This triangle wave is used to modulate the pulse width of this pulses. But how can we do this? Let's see. First, ICL8038. This component will help us to produce triangle wave. Timer 555 is used to produce modulated pulses. Amplifier LM741 to amplify the output of ICL8038. Resistors and 3 potentiometers 100 kΩ. Potentiometer 1 kΩ and 1 microfarad in 3.3 nanofarad capacitors. We will connect the circuit now, but we will not connect the ICL8038 integrated circuit to produce the triangle waves. You can watch it in this video, which explains the connection in detail to produce the triangle waves, so we recommend it to you. This circuit of ICL8038 to produce the triangle waves. This is the triangle wave, the output of the ICL8038. As you see, we can't change the amplitude. Now we will put amplifier LM741 to amplify the output waves of ICL8038. Now we will add 100 kΩ potentiometer. Now connect 4.7 kΩ resistor. The first terminal to ground L and the other terminal to inverting input pin 2. Now connect 20 kΩ resistor first terminal to out pin 6, the other terminal to resistor 4.7 kΩ as you see in circuit. Now connect the ground of our power supply to ground pin 4. Now connect the positive of our power supply to VCC pin 7. Connect the metal terminal of potentiometer to non-inverting input pin 3. Connect the third terminal of potentiometer to ground. Connect the first terminal of potentiometer to output pin 3 or 2 and ICL8038 pin 2 for sin wave and pin 3 for triangle wave. As you see, this the output after connecting the amplifier, and we can change the amplitude. Now we will start to connect timer 555. First connect VCC pin 8 and reset pin 4 to positive terminal of power supply. First connect ground pin 1 to negative terminal of power supply. Now connect 2 kΩ resistor between pin 7 and pin 8. Now connect 20 kilo ohm resistor between pin 7 and pin 6. Now connect 3.3 nanofarad to pin 6 and ground of power supply. Now connect pin 3 to positive terminal of power supply through 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect pin 2 trigger to pin 6 as you see in video. Connect power supply positive terminal to second circuit through 10 kilo ohm resistor and connect ground. Now we will connect the output triangle wave of the first circuit to pin 5 and timer through 10 kilo ohm resistor. Now we are ready to try. As you see, when we move the potentiometer, the triangle wave's amplitude is changed and also the output pulses of timer 555 is changed. If we zoom on this pulses, it will give us this shape. As you see, the output pulses from timer 555 will be modulated according to the triangle wave.